Hi, today I want to show you good tips for doing debugging in AngularJS code. For that, we have to visit on angularjs.org website. Right now we are doing it. After visiting on this website, and then we have to right click over there. After right click over there, and then we will see view page. We have to click on that. After clicking on this page, and then we will see here ng controller. Right now we have to go down, and then we will see here is the ng, and then we will see here is a ng controller in the source code, and then we will see what will be happening. We will see that step by step in there. But our side, this is a very large application. Sometimes you may be a single page application, and then we will do troubleshooting, and then just looking at the code, and then we will figure out, and then we will see very fast and easy way. Now I want to show you a practical example for that. We have to visit on any AngularJS website. Right now, as I am going, as I know, I am visiting on a website, and you can visit as per you are having any website. You can visit over there. Right now I am visiting on this todomvc.com. After clicking over there, and then we will see this page. In this page we have to see AngularJS. As I have seen here AngularJS. After seeing this AngularJS, and then we have to click on that. As I have clicked on that, after clicking here, and then we have to right click over there. After writing click over there, and then we will see here inspect. On the inspect, I have to again click on that. After clicking over there, and then we will see here element, console, sources, network, and many more we are having here. But in this we have to use only element and console and source code. These all things I have to use. Now I have to click on console. As I have clicked over there, and then I have to write $scope. After writing here, and then we have to hit enter. As I have hit enter over there, and then we will see objects are available here. You can see here these all are arrays, listeners, these all things these all of are the objects. If we want to call any function, for that we will use After writing angular.element dot scope, after that we have to hit enter. As I have hit enter, and then you can see here it is showing if we want to explain of this code. I am showing to you. Now you can see I have clicked here. After clicking here, and then after clicking here, and then we have to click over there protocol prototype. After clicking on the protocol, and then again we will see a proto, and then we have to click on that. After clicking over there, and then we have to choose any one function as we want. As I am clicking on the controller. After clicking on the controller, and then we will see show function definition. After that I have to click on that. As I have clicked over there, and then we will see functions, and then we have to do breakpoint over there. After breaking breakpoint, after we will write a breakpoint over there, and then it will be a debug, because of as I am showing to you first. As I have set it here, this is a breakpoint, and this called debug, because of if we will, whenever our program will run and execute, during that time our program will run only till. After that it will not go ahead. These all are the basic and simple tips of that.